Welcome to my new trading office. Come in. I'm going to show you why this is my favorite setup yet, and I'm going to break down exactly what is going on in this room. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Mark, and I've been trading for the past 7 years. And I've run through various setups. I've traveled all across the US, and I've finally built what I would consider to be my dream trading setup. Now, if you guys watch the content on the channel, I've transitioned to making mainly educational content, and a lot of the work I'm doing in the market is actively live trading. So keeping that in mind, when we went about designing this setup, we were trying to strive for the most efficient setup from a workflow perspective, where I can pretty much just click record, and I'll show you what I mean, and have everything I'm doing in the market captured like that. I actually am about to upgrade to this larger board here. This is where we tap into all my screens. We're just using this one right now, and we've got these 2 cameras. So I've got the double angle dual camera set up to catch my live trading that I do with my students in the market. And all my screens are simultaneously being recorded. And if you look up there, I've actually got on the wall pretty much a monitor, which is going to give me a live feed of what it looks like for the guys watching the stream. I've got this 4 monitor setup. The configuration here I love because I have allowed for, like I said, a nice workflow where I've got pretty much the Discord room. Okay, these are all my students in here on Discord that I work with every day. I've got my Thinkorswim trading platform. This is where I place my orders. Up top, this is my custom risk management calculator, one of the tools that I've developed in the market. And then to my right here, this is my trading software. So this is like my edge, my secret sauce, and how I'm able to find that consistent profitability. Obviously, got the microphone, Mac got the speakers, and the 2 Blackmagic cameras. As far as the background, if you guys turn around, look behind me, you can see, just wanted to add a little gradient to the wall. We've got this brick. Yes, it is fake brick. So this office is actually in my new house. And before, I've tried actually working and renting an office. And then I really just figured that I enjoyed the freedom and the flexibility that came with essentially being able to work from home. So yes, this is a room inside my house. This is not a separate office. Got the TV screen right here. This is gonna be like a live feed in the morning. I like watching the market news and just being aware of what is happening within the overall economy. Even though all the trading I do is from a technical perspective, it's still good to be aware of the major news events. But that is off right now because it is the weekend. Obviously, the LEDs just adding a little flavor to the video. And we've got this light, which we installed, mounted off of the wall. Really just keeping in mind that I wanted the most practical and efficient workflow, wise specific setup where I just really sit down and I click record and I don't have to do anything. So, all my attention is actually going into trading. And I love it. So far, it's been great. I just got this set up in the last couple of weeks as I just moved in here. And if you guys watch the videos, you'll see this setup in action. But that is my trading setup. I hope you guys did enjoy. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Later.